Hello friends, my name is Naeem, and in this video I'm going to make another creative title slide. Before we start our video, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it and let's start. I'm using PowerPoint 2019 and I have already opened a new PowerPoint slide. The first step, I'm going to right click and going into format backgrounds and selecting picture or texture fill, going into insert and selecting a file from my device and insert. So I have selected this file. As you can see, it is already transparent. I am just decreasing the transparency and I'll make it around 90%. Going into shapes and I'm selecting rectangle shape, holding down the shift key and making a rectangle shape here. Going into shapes again and let's select this shape and draw it here, holding down the shift key and filling the black color just for time being here and removing the outline, and also I will remove the outline from triangle and I'm placing right here. So the trick that the black shape should be slightly minor outside of the triangle, so we will repeat the same thing here. I have copy pasted here and we will make another copy and we'll rotate it to this side and we will place it in the same way how we have done it for the other two. So later we're going to use merge shapes. So in order to do that better job, I'm placing it in a way like it should work well. I will select all, I'll go to format and again I'll go to merge shapes and I will choose this option fragment. So fragment has done a job and has broke down all of the intersected lines into different and separate pieces. So I'm going to make them unite using the union shape. As you can see, this is still not been selected, so I will try to select it again. So let me select it one by one and yes, all selected. I'll go to format and I'll make it union. So I will rotate it now in a way how I want to keep it. Okay, and place it here and I will make another copy here and I'll reduce the size. So make sure to hold down the shift key so you get a proper shape, and I filled red color just for time being and I'll place it here. So going into format shape and I'm filling the gradient color. So I will use the one side as a darker and the other side as a lighter color. Alright, so what I'm going to do with this rectangle shape, before I do that I will make a small shape here with the rectangle, holding down the shift key. Alright, looks fine. And I'll also fill the gradient color same as I have filled in the other small triangle, but I'll changing the angle. . That looks fine, and let's remove the outline as no outline. So selecting these and just adjusting, moving to the left side. Let's move this, we don't need it now, and selecting. So basically this time I'm going to use a merge shape tool to insert this picture inside the black triangle shape. So I will place it here, I will send it back. So basically I want to see where exactly this picture is placed. Right, so I've selected the picture first and then triangle, and going to merge shapes, and I'll use intersect, and going into crop picture and adjusting exactly which area I need it to be visible in this shape. Great. So the next step, we will fill the text here. And let's also select copy paste here and write the heading here. So the last final step, I'm making a duplicate copy of this triangle, and I will increase the size and I will place it here in a way that it will give me a kind of small white outline here. Right, and also apply a shade here, an outline which is outside, and I'll change the color to kind of orange color. Great. Let's close this and have a look in a full slide mode. So this is it for today's tutorial. If you like it, let me know in the comment section, and see you in next video.